Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to choose or how to select your subtitle language on the application of TED Talks. You should to follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to this application of TED as you see, and you can click here. In this page here, you will wait a moment until you find this window like this. Then in this page here, you will go to above to this sign of profile and you can click. After that, in this page here, you will go to this window of settings and you can click like this. Here in this list, you will find languages. You will enter to this window. And then here in this page, as you see of languages, you will find subtitle language and you will enter. And here in this page, you can choose or select any subtitle language you want. Here you can choose any languages. There are lots of languages here. You can choose any subtitle languages for your videos to understand your videos on the application of TED Talks as you see here. So that's it. That's how to choose subtitle languages on the application of TED Talks. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.